Hello everyone, welcome to Genius channel. All of you see the question number 51. Question number 51. What is the distance between the points which divide the line segment joining 4, 3 and 5, 7 internally and externally in the ratio 2:3? What is the distance between the points which divide line segment joining 4, 3? Line segment joining 4, 3 and 5, 7 internally and externally in the ratio 2:3. So after reading the question itself, it is clear that this is a question from section formula. Section formula. So section formula, what is section formula? To find a point that divides internally, the formula is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. To find a point externally, sorry, here you have to write the formula for y also. Then to find a point that divides externally, what is the change in this equation? Externally, you can find using x is equal to mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n. Y is equal to my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. Okay. So using that, just solve it. So here it is x1, y1, x2, y2. So first find the point that divides internally. So what is the ratio they have given? Ratio is 2:3. So m, this one m, this is n. So mx2, that means 2 into 5, that is 10 plus x is equal to 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4 divided by 2 plus 5, 2 plus 3, 5. So that is 22 by 5. Then y is equal to 2 into 7, 14 plus 3 into 3, 9 divided by 5. So that is 23 by 5. So we got the point that divides internally. Now use the formula for externally. Externally. What is externally? Use this formula. So x is equal to 2 into 5 minus 3 into 4 divided by 2 minus 3. That is minus 1. So that is 10 minus 12. That is minus 2 by 2 minus 3. That is minus 1. So answer is 2. Then y is equal to 14 minus 9. That is 5 divided by minus 1. So that is minus 5. So the point is 2, minus 5. So this point is 22 by 5, 23 by 5. This is 2, minus 5. So this is the point that divides internally. This is the point that divides externally. Now what you need? You need the distance between internally and externally, isn't it? So find the distance between these 2 points. For that you can use distance formula, isn't it? So use the distance formula. What is distance formula? Distance between these 2 points. If I am taking this as x1, y1, x2, y2. To find the distance between these 2 points, d is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So do it. So put here. So you'll get minus 5 minus, sorry, 2 minus 22 by 5 the whole square plus minus 5 minus 23 by 5 the whole square. So do and tell me what you get. So you may be getting answer as, answer you'll be getting as, this will become 10 minus 22 minus 12 the whole square by 5 square. So root of minus 12 by 5 the whole square plus this will be minus 25 minus 23. So that is minus 48 by 5, isn't it? Minus 48 by 5 the whole square. So once solving, you will be getting the answer as 12 by 5 root 17 or 12 root 17 by 5. 12 root 17 by 5. 12 root 17 by 5. That is option A. Option A, 12 root 17 by 5. Option A, 12 root 17 by 5. So here you have made use of two equations, section formula and distance formula, and you have direct question, but little bit time consuming because you have internally point you can calculate, externally point, then you have distance formula also. So little bit lengthy, but direct one. So we'll move to the next question. See the question number 53. Question number 53. Question number 53. What is the equation of straight line cutting intercept 2 from negative direction of y-axis and inclined at 30° with the positive direction of x-axis? What is the equation of straight line cutting off an intercept 2 from the negative direction of y-axis and inclined at 30° with the positive direction of x-axis? So here it is y-axis. Here y-axis, negative direction of y-axis, here positive direction of x-axis. So we have a straight line. What is the equation of straight line cutting off an intercept 2 from negative direction of y-axis? So this is negative direction of y-axis and inclined 30° with the positive direction of x-axis. So here 30° inclination and intercept 2 from the negative direction of y-axis. So 0, negative 2. 0, negative 2. So figure goes like this. Okay, so they have given y-intercept and they have given theta for finding the slope. So what is slope? Slope is tan 30. That is 1 by root 3. Then y-intercept they have given minus 2. Y-intercept letter is C. Minus 2. So slope and intercept is given. Or slope and point slope form or in a point slope form or slope intercept form, anything you can use. So if I'm using point slope form, what is that? Point slope form, that is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1. Y minus y1 is what? This is x1, this is y1. Minus 2 is equal to slope is 1 by root 3. X minus x1 is what? 0. So solve it, you'll get y plus 2 is equal to x by root 3, or we can write root 3 y plus 2 root 3 is equal to x. Or we can write x minus root 3 y minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. X minus root 3 y minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Do we have that option? Yes, option D. X minus root 3 y minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Going to the next question. The maximum value of, see the question number 50. The maximum value of sine x plus 5 by 5 plus cos x plus 5 by 5, where x element of 0, 5 by 2. You have to find the maximum value of this function. And it is attained at, not the value of function, it is attained at. Where do this is attained? Xl belongs to 0, 5 by 2. So for finding out this, I'm going to multiply. I'm going to do a multiplication and division. I'm going to multiply or the numerator and denominator, or I am going to multiply root 2. Okay, so this I am rewriting as 1 by root 2 sine x plus 5 by 5 plus 1 by root 2 cos x plus 5 by 5. So listen, this is of which form? Does this becomes the formula of sine x plus y? Sine x plus y. What is the equation for sine x plus y? Sine x plus y is sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. So does that become like this? Sine x cos y plus cos x sine y, isn't it? So root 2 into, this will become sine x plus y. So that is here, this is what? Sine x cos y. So this is cos pi by 4, isn't it? This is sine pi by 4, 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is sine pi by 4 as well as cos pi by 4. So I can write it as x plus pi by 5 plus pi by 4. X is x plus pi by 5, y is pi by 4. So this can be rewritten as root 2 into, inside this, we have root 2 into sine x plus pi by 5 plus pi by 4. Okay, so listen, we need the maximum values. It's maximum value of this function. Okay. So we got root 2 sine x plus pi by 5 plus pi by 4, isn't it? Now, what they are saying that you need maximum value of this function, maximum value, isn't it? So, listen, when do sine have maximum function value? When do sine have maximum value, sine function? That is when sine theta is sine pi by 2, that means theta pi by 2. Then that is maximum value of sine is 1, isn't it? That happens when theta is pi by 2. So, for attaining this function to maximum value, this x plus pi by 5 plus pi by 4 should be what? Pi by 2. This value should be pi by 2. So solve it. So x is equal to pi by 2 minus pi by 5 minus pi by 4. So what do you get for x while solving this? Are you getting x is equal to pi by 20? Pi by 20, option E, pi by 20. So see whether you're getting this. So when you get a question like this to find maximum value and all, if there are two terms like sin x plus cos x, we have to make that into a single term. Then only we can get the maximum value. Where we can get the maximum value, for that we have to make it into a single function. Okay. So moving on to the next question. So next question is, that is also a question from straight lines. Question number 54. What is the equation of line passing through the intersection of planes, intersection of lines x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0 and 2x minus y plus 5 equal to 0 and parallel to this line? Okay, direct question. The same question we had in the class also. Same type. That is coming under family of lines, isn't it? How to write the equation of a line which is passing through the intersection of any other two lines? What is the equation for that? If we have a line L1 and another line L2, to find the line that passing through the intersection of these two lines, what is the equation? L1 plus lambda L2, isn't it? So you'll take L1 plus lambda L2, that equal to 0. That is the equation for line passing through the intersection of any two other lines. So L1 here is this one, L2 is this one. So substitute here x plus 2y minus 3 plus a lambda into 2x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. Now what is the next step you have to do after writing it? Next step is you have to find lambda, isn't it? To find lambda, we have to collect all the x coefficients, y coefficients, etc. So this will become collect all the coefficients and write. So 1 plus 2 lambda x, 1 plus 2 lambda x plus 2 minus lambda y plus minus 3 plus 5 lambda is equal to 0, isn't it? Why? Because we are recollecting all the terms. Collecting all the terms. Next, what is the next step? You have to find lambda. For finding lambda only, they have given another information. That is this line, the required line is parallel to y minus x plus 10 equal to 0. Okay, so that means two lines are parallel, means their slopes will be equal, isn't it? So what is the slope of this line? So rewriting that line, that equation as like this. Standard for minus x plus y plus 10 equal to 0. What is the slope of this line? Minus a by b. So that is minus 1 by minus 1 minus, there is a minus here also. So minus 1 by 1. So that is 1. So slope is 1. Now, so this line, the required line and the given line has same slope because they are parallel. So what is the slope of the required line? Minus a by b. So minus 1 plus 2 lambda by 2 minus lambda. That is 1, isn't it? Same slope they should have. Minus a by b. So here a is this much, b is this much. So equate it. So minus 1 minus 2 lambda is equal to 2 minus lambda. Take everything to one side. So you'll get lambda is equal to, are you getting lambda is equal to minus 3? Lambda is equal to minus 3. Okay, just check. All of you do it yourself. Lambda is equal to minus 3. Are you getting? Just check that. This is a direct question usually asked from this portion. So lambda you got minus 3. Then you have to rewrite the equation putting lambda in this required line. So what is that required line? 1 plus 2 lambda. So 2 into minus 3 x plus 2 minus minus 3. Lambda is minus 3, isn't it? Y plus minus 3 plus 5 into minus 3 equal to 0. So you'll get minus 5x plus 5y plus 15 minus 3. 12 equal to 0. Just check. Some mistake happened. Oh, sorry, this is, yeah, this will become minus 3. Here minus 3, no? Lambda is minus 3. So minus 18 equal to 0. So if I rewrite, I'll get 5x minus 5y minus, sorry, plus 18 equal to 0. If I take negative common, 5x minus 5y plus 18 equal to 0. Understood? Okay. So answer is option C. Option C is the correct answer. Moving to question number, next question. 74, question number 74. Question number 74. Consider the function x square ln modulus x, x not equal to 0, 0, x equal to 0. What is f dash of 0 equal to? So how to find f dash of 0? F dash of 0 is equal to limit x tends to 0, f of h minus f of 0 divided by h. Limit h tends to 0, f of h minus f of 0 by h. Isn't it? That is f dash of 0. So substitute here, that is limit h tends to 0, f of h. What is f of h? F of h means in the place of h, substitute h. So h square ln h minus f of 0 will become 0. This is ln h. Okay. Ln h minus 0 divided by h. So what you get? When substituting limit, you'll get the answer as 0. So what is the derivative? F dash of 0. For f dash of 0, you need now. So f dash of 0 is 0. Option A. Option A is the correct answer. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching Venus channel. We'll see in another video with more questions.